AEON stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Aeon Biopharma stock, it's sitting at a good 12 cents, you know, like it's 9.9% down. And relatively speaking, if I come here, yeah, I mean, like it's been melting down for some time. And notice how I have the lines pointing down as well. I mean, context, I've done 35,000 videos, you know, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And relatively speaking, it's still a same bearish trend. I mean, I know I want to sound mysterious and whatnot, but like I've called it out beforehand as well. The only thing that I will care potentially to take up is if the price starts breaking above 26 cents, you know, above it. But we're not there yet, so what I'm gonna do is just follow up with the trend. But even like the short side, it's not like the great timing for shorts neither, because we're sitting at all-time lows. So yeah, I mean, nothing in it for me. Awful. Let me know what is your thoughts. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.